great opportunity for me to be in this film because I got to showcase my skills and talent. And yeah, like it was a really amazing experience. I had a lot of fun time during the 2 day shoot which I had going on for like full day. And yeah, that was my really awesome experience.
Hi, I'm Sandhya. I'm in this film, and I think this was one of the best things that we've come across. Nobody gives us this opportunity of being filmed together and all of this. You get to showcase your skills, you get to showcase what all you know about football. We spoke about everything that we've learned. Lisa ma'am have been so great to us. She's been so kind to us, and the shoot was so good. It went so smoothly because there was nobody shouting at you. There's nothing. It was just so nice and it's really great to be a part of this. Thank
How
you.
do you describe the relation of football with Goa?
Oh my god. This is like, if you're a Goan, you should know or you will know from the womb of your mother to play football. It's that. It runs in our blood and eat, sleep, everything is football in Goa. So that is football for us.
And opportunities that girls get to play football in Goa?
Yeah, the opportunities are really less. So whatever comes our way, we have to grab those opportunities. Like we have one league going on once in a year. So it's like, oh God, if I don't show my talent this year, I have to wait a whole another year, and that is how it works. So a lot of opportunities, like how boys have I leagues, pro leagues. It would be better if we get the same opportunities. Not to worry that oh God, I have to wait one whole year to show my talents.
So during COVID, when the opportunities even got lesser and you were, not able to train, how frustrating was that period for each of you?
It was really frustrating, especially not seeing our friends to play. You can't play together, so staying at home, it was really difficult to keep up to my game, and thinking about that was even worse, like when it's going to open, when I'll be able to play. That I think really spoiled some more time which we could have done, something, and improved our game in different ways, or played specific tournaments. So it was really frustrating.
To you, Sindhu?
It's like football is a team game. So how much ever you practice individually, you still have to be with a team so that you have a broader perspective of how your teammate plays, how you have to pass in a game. That is one thing that we started missing. Because how much ever you train, you work out, you're working out, you're doing your juggling, you're trying to do everything. But in the end, that sense of playing football in the rains, in the mud, on the beach, it was all missing, and it was very disheartening actually for a long period of time because 1 year this lockdown was, so it was very hurtful to be at home without seeing your friends and playing football with them.
So did it have any effect on your personality, any effect on your mental well-being?
You tend to become quieter because when you're playing you're just screaming, you're just telling directions. From my position, I play as a defender, so I have to keep talking. I have to tell this one, you go, I'm covering. You're talking to the strikers, score goals, you're talking to everybody. But then you don't have the same kind of environment at home. How long will you talk to your family? Because it's going to be the same thing, what you ate, what you did, that's it in the house. There was no conversation. When you have football, there are conversations. You have different topics to talk about.
And to you, any effect it
Yeah,
had on your
like
life?
to me, it was really awkward seeing all of my friends, like how we used to communicate. It was like this gap wherein we didn't know how to communicate with each other. We're trying to see, okay, if anyone's, all those things of social distancing and all that changed, all of us. So it was really difficult to get up to the same level again.
Who inspires you? Which footballing personality has been inspiring to you in this COVID period and overall as an
Yeah,
idol?
from the women's, especially, I have one Millie Bright from the Chelsea team, and Samantha Care, and an Italian football player, Federico Chiesa, who's my favorite. So they keep me motivated to play.
You?
So I started also playing football because I saw Cristiano Ronaldo doing all those amazing dribbles. I used to play striker. I started because of that. So he inspires me. His personality is different. He doesn't give up. People say he has attitude, but I feel he's just confident about what he does. So I've always looked up to him.
Anything that was very inspiring during the COVID times, any event, any incident on football field or regarding football, anything that has inspired you
I
a lot
think,
during these difficult times?
yeah, like COVID, like as in staying at home, it gave us the like a self realization, like a time to improve on yourself, because we've been practicing together, but it's very difficult. Like how you study in school, you need self study. So when you practice, you need self practice. So it also on the brighter side, it gave us a chance to be ready when we get the opportunity to get back on field again. Till that time, we had this time to improve our game and fitness levels and all that.
Yeah.
It's your decision what you do with all this time that you've got. As she said, this pandemic was really awful. So it gives us a time to reflect on where we need to improve in our game, in our speed, or whatever we are doing. So it was very, on a positive side, it was a good thing that we got time to realize that and to improve ourselves.
Thank you.